Hi, I'm Meg from Tokyo. Today, I'm gonna show you my best 10 spots around Tokyo Dome. This area is called Suidobashi or Korakuen and is especially famous for Tokyo Dome, where it's also known as baseball stadium. So this area is recommended not only for those who like baseball but for everyone. You can enjoy Japanese shrine, amusement parks, hotel, delicious food and cafe around here as well as baseball. Okay then, let's go! Number 1. Tokyo Daijingu. Tokyo Daijingu is a relatively new shrine founded in 1818 and is known as one of the 3 major matchmaking shrines in Tokyo along with Akasaka Hikawa Shrine and the Tokyo branch of Izumo Taisha Shrine. Here is the first shrine of the very famous Isejingu in Mie Prefecture. Many couples celebrate their wedding ceremonies here because this shrine is popular for the fulfillment of love. In fact, in 1900, the past Japanese prince celebrated a wedding ceremony for the general public, which led to the spread of the current Japanese-style wedding ceremony. Please visit the shrine in search of love fulfillment. This shrine is a 10-minute walk from Tokyo Dome or Suidobashi Station. Number 2. Tokyo Dome. Tokyo Dome is a revolutionary stadium that is designed for all weather conditions. For example, there are revolving doors at the entrances and exits to keep as much air out as possible, and the roofed puffy membrane is designed to allow sunlight to penetrate. Baseball match can be watched here, and the stadium is also the home stadium of the Japanese famous baseball team called Giants. It's also used as a venue for the live performances by famous artists during the baseball off-season or when they travel to the other area. At baseball match, people often wear the uniforms of the teams they support and cheer along with them. Actually, watching a game in the stadium is good because you can see the pitcher's pitch line, which cannot see well on TV. The pitcher throws a fastball about 150 km/h that's worth watching. You can enjoy watching a match while eating bento and original drink. Another feature of a baseball match is that women called uriko provide fresh beer or highballs or even ice cream. Each beer can be purchased for about $6.5. Even though you're not originally interested in baseball, this must be a good opportunity to try watching a match once. It's very interesting to watch. Number 3. Baseball Museum. Baseball Museum collects and exhibits many materials related to baseball, both domestic and international. For everyone in the US, there's also an exhibit of players who are active in MLB, Major League Baseball. There's a latest exhibit related to the WBC held in 2023. Dozens of uniforms actually used by the players are on display, including the uniform and helmet used by Shohei Ohtani, a current MLB player. This museum has an uniform, bat and gloves Ohtani used in Japan before. They also display many of uniforms, bats and gloves used by players currently active in Japan. Thus, there's a collection of materials that provide you with an insight into the history of baseball. If you like baseball, how about visiting this museum? Number 4. Supodori. Supodori is an indoor sports facility where you can enjoy bouldering, buttering, and golf. This time, I will try butting. Don't worry too much even if you are a beginner. I love watching baseball, but I'm almost a beginner at batting. I chose a 100 km/h version of Yoshinobu Yamamoto, known as the Japanese baseball ace. The game costs about 500 yen for 20 pitches per game. I managed to hit the bat 10 out of 20 balls. Well done, Meg! You can also try pitching. The system is like you get a strike when you hit the target. Almost there! It was way too difficult than I thought. Even when it's rainy, you can enjoy all day, so give it a try. Number 5. Tokyo Dome City Attractions. This is the outdoor and indoor theme park located next to the Tokyo Dome. It has all the standard Japanese amusement park attractions such as roller coasters, haunted houses, Ferry wheels, and merry-go-rounds. Of these rides, the Ferris wheel is the most noteworthy. I'm sure you will be so surprised! You can enjoy karaoke while riding the Ferris wheel. Just like this, karaoke is usually enjoyed in a private room rather than in front of a group of people in Japan. You can also enjoy the beautiful view of Tokyo as well as karaoke. The night view is especially breathtaking. Of course, it's also nice to just enjoy the view on the Ferris wheel without doing karaoke. Plus, you can experience the amazing roller coasters. One of its unique characteristics is that you will go through the hole in the wall of the building with the ride. If you want to feel thrill, give it a try. Number 6. French Noodle Factory. This restaurant specializes in lobster ramen. The theme of the restaurant is the fusion of French cuisine and ramen, and you can enjoy a unique ramen that you won't find anywhere else. It's an amazing bowl of ramen that used the special ingredients procured by the French chef. Let's eat! Unbelievable! It's super delicious! After finishing the noodles, I also recommend the risotto with rice and lobster soup topped with plenty of cheese. If you're a cheese lover or even not, this risotto is a must-eat. The soup and rice with cheese go really well together. It's a bit expensive compared to other ramen shops, but it's definitely worth visiting here. Number 7. I-Kousya. This is a very popular hamburger restaurant where people have been waiting in line since it opened on weekdays. Unlike many hamburger shops, this restaurant uses 100% beef without any glue. This means that you can enjoy the original juicy meatness of the beef. The menu consists of half hamburgers and half sandwiches. Wow, this is very juicy and spicy! The restaurant is closed on weekends and closes on weekdays as soon as they run out of their products. Have a good lunchtime at I-Kousya. Number 8. 10. DIXANS. It's one of the most stylish cafes in Tokyo. The interior is illuminated by indirect lighting, which is very comfy. They have several menus such as baked toast, fresh cake, and coffee. I got the brownie, cannelle, and cappuccino. This cafe is very famous among cafe lovers and is highly rated on Japanese gourmet websites. Looks so tasty! Let's try this cappuccino first. This cappuccino is a perfect match between the fluffy foam and the rich espresso. Let's try these baked cakes next. The cakes are moist and extremely delicious as well. The vibe is lovely and the taste is also great. Have a nice time at this cafe. Number 9. Tokyo Dome Hotel. This landmark hotel is located right next to the Tokyo Dome. If you're gonna watch a baseball game at night at the Tokyo Dome, this is the hotel for you, as it will be late if you move to the other place. The 43-story building has 1,006 rooms, which is one of the tallest buildings in Tokyo. Because it's very close to the baseball stadium Tokyo Dome, you can feel the baseball-like circle design everywhere. We stayed in a standard type room. I will open with the card key. The room is spacious and is large enough to accommodate 2 people. From the window of this room, we could see Tokyo Dome and Tokyo Dome attractions. Unfortunately, the weather was not good. If you eat breakfast at this hotel, they serve a buffet style. Have a great stay in Tokyo Dome Hotel. Number 10. La Cour Shopping. Lakua is a fusion of stores and restaurants, spa, and attraction rides. I've already showed you about the attraction rides in number 5, so let me show you about the stores and restaurants here. The restaurants offer a variety of dishes including American, Korean, Chinese, and Thailand. They look all tasty! This building has also Muji, Uniqlo, both are developing overseas stores. It's between you and me, it's easier to shop here because it's not crowded down in Shinjuku or Akihabara. They look comfy to wear! Plus, you can buy fashionable and unique general goods, kitchenware, and accessories. Oh, it's so cute! They must be good for souvenirs for your family and friends as well. If you're visiting Tokyo Dome to watch the game, please stop by if you have some time. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. If you have any other videos you'd like me to do, please let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching and see you at the next video!